How to use the Alibaba messaging system. You can use the Alibaba messaging system through primary method, the instant messaging tool Messenger, or by sending a formal inquiry. You can keeping all the conversation on Alibaba's platform is recommended to help protect your payment and order as well. So launch open the alibaba.com, and what you need is here navigate to a product page or a supplier's company page for the item you're interested in. When you locate the item that you're interested in, you want to launch open that up, and here you have these options: send inquiry as well as chat now. Select one of these methods, click on chat now. This is more comprehensive. You could go ahead and send a message directly to the seller, after which you can write down or you could type in your message or select for our pre-populated standard questions about minimum order quantity, product catalog, or lead times as well. After you've enhanced your communication, you could send a picture, videos, and a document to clarify your requirement. You could turn on the auto translation features for both the incoming and an outgoing message as well. And you could schedule or initiate a direct voice or a video call with a supplier during the work hours. You could also create and share a digital business card with one click for a faster contact exchange as well. So this is how you'll be able to use Alibaba messaging system. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.